Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Ctrl plus Alt plus Del on Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get into it. First, open the side menu. Look to the far right side of your screen and tap the three dots icon to slide out the main menu options. Since your physical keyboard is tied to your local computer, you have to use this digital menu. Next, find the input controls. You need to look for the section that handles how your mouse and keyboard operate to the other computer. Look down the menu until you see a section titled Input Controls. Under this section, you will see a few different choices for how to send your keystrokes. Next, send the system keys. Now you can actually tell the computer to perform the action. The app has a specific button just for this common task. Look for the button that says Press Ctrl Alt Del and click on it once. Watch the remote screen to see the security menu appear. This is the most important part. By clicking this, the app sends a special signal that bypasses your own computer. It ensures your command reaches the remote device perfectly. Now pick what you want to do on the remote computer, and then hide the menu. Select Task Manager or Lock from the menu screen on your remote device. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.